Welcome to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. In today's video, I'll show you a practical idea for creating a 180-degree flip mechanism in SolidWorks. You can download the full 3D model using the link in the description below. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback on this mechanism. Let's start by taking a look at how the mechanism works, and then I'll walk you through the key components used in the design. The main element is an SMC rotary table, which provides the controlled rotational motion. Next, I mounted a custom holder to the rotary table using 8 bolts to ensure a rigid and stable connection. After that, I added an arm to extend the mechanism, allowing it to reach and manipulate the part. Finally, I attached a vacuum suction cup at the end of the arm, making it suitable for handling flat components. This is a simple but effective design that can be used in many applications where a part needs to be flipped 180 degrees for the next stage of a process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. I post new SolidWorks and mechanical design videos every week.